Hello everyone. I am Aditya. I am doing this for the very first time, and I am pursuing my MBA in FinTech. So I have been asked by my professional business communications professor to make a vlog on any of random topic. So I was quite confused on what topic should I make this video. So I have this friend of mine from my branch only. He's with me. So he has little bit knowledge of, I guess, palmistry and then horoscope as well. So we'll try and find out about uh, my life. Uh, where is my life heading towards? Okay, so it's the time for you guys to know who that friend is. Okay, hi Abhijit.
Hello Aditya, how are
So,
you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I am fine.
Okay, Abhijit. So you know about palmistry, horoscope, and all these things.
Yeah.
So since I am very much confused in my life, I would need your help to know about my future prospects and what's there waiting in my life.
Okay, bro.
Shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay. So Abhijit will proceed with our task of this palmistry. So are you ready for this?
Yes, bro. Let's
Okay.
initiate it.
Okay. Which hand should I show you first?
Your right hand.
Right hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What
Okay.
would you like to know first?
First, I would like to know about my life and then about my health.
No, let's first discuss about your health.
Okay.
Bro, this is your health line. This one.
Oh, this is my health line.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
initiated from here.
Done.
Done. But there would be problems in an initial stage because these lines go through your health line.
Okay.
Okay. So you face some like serious challenges or some incidents in your past life.
Yeah,
haven't you?
past, yeah, I
Yeah.
have been suffering with a critical disease, but then it's cured now.
Okay, like if I talk about hair,
Yeah.
it's also breaking. You will face from like health problem or maybe an incident in your future, but it's after 80 years old.
Oh, so this confirms me that
Yeah.
I would be living
Yeah,
more than 80
almost-
years
yeah,
old.
bro, more than 80 years.
Okay, done. Thank you.
Done.
So this is something positive news.
Positive.
Okay, now tell me about my life.
Oh, your partner. Yeah, yeah. You're talking about your partner.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Let me tell you
Partner
about
would be my life only, na?
yeah. Okay. The partner lines, if I say these two lines.
Okay.
Okay. For some people, there would be one line, or for some, there would be two lines. But
What do you mean? Will I be practicing polygamy?
no, no.
Will I be getting
But
married to two women?
you could do that. It's your personal choice. But this line shows you could have two partners.
Okay.
Not simultaneously, of course, but like you could face a divorce in the future, maybe, but it's not a compulsory because
Got it.
you could have a girlfriend which you have a long-term serious relationship with her.
Bro, I do not have any girlfriend, but then, yeah,
Okay.
we'll
And
try to.
I'll tell you one funny thing. Your line, it's a curved line. Maybe your girlfriend would be dominant.
Okay.
Oh, got it,
I
bro.
would love that. I would love my wife to be dominant on me,
Ah.
but then, yeah, I would also try and find single love. I would not like to
Practice polygamy
Yeah,
or-
practice polygamy, or then would not like to indulge in these things
Oh.
where I may also face mental trauma.
There's an interesting thing in your hand which I see. now.
Okay, what is?
It is like you also go on a foreign trip maybe in the future.
Oh, yeah, sure, bro. I'll go to either
Yeah.
Bangladesh or Nepal or Pakistan.
Not that nation, maybe like well developed nation.
Oh.
We'll go there like for even for a settlement purpose. You can get PR of any like developed nation.
that is not gonna happen.
There's a chance because these lines it's make a fish shape, you know. So
Okay.
this shape represent your foreign visit.
Okay.
Maybe of any country that will be like about our
Okay.
luck.
Anything more interesting you would like to tell me, like about my kids or my wife? Will she be pretty or not?
Oh, she'll be pretty. And
How come you know that my wife will be pretty?
because okay, this line is quite strong.
Okay.
And quite a thick line it is here. And okay, would you mind showing me your right hand and
Oh, so
placing it to
you want me to show my both hands together?
Both hands, sorry, both hands.
Okay, done.
Okay, like this line, na? This line.
Yeah.
This line represents the moon,
Okay,
the half moon, but it's complete.
okay.
So you will get a like really beautiful wife.
Oh, my God. So,
That happens, bro. It's real. That's
okay,
happens.
so
Okay.
my wife would be pretty. This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
also
your wife will be
something
pretty.
positive you
Something
talked
positive,
today.
Yeah. Okay, let me tell you about
So
money.
I should not worry about my wife. My
wife.
mom will be finding a
Really good
pretty
bride for
nice
you.
girl for me.
Okay, let's talk about the money because that's the biggest concern.
Yeah, before money,
Because
we would
we-
like to explore more about luck because, bro, I have been facing so much issues in my life. My life has totally been a roller coaster. After my engineering, I was in my job and then left that. Tried so many things, still trying so many things, and doesn't know where my life is leading towards. So, can you please tell me about my luck?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, there's a one basic thing in palmistry.
Yeah.
Okay, if your hand is clean, means these lines are not enough.
Okay.
Okay, so if there is some way more lines here, because like your palm from this side is not a clean palm.
Okay.
There are too many strong lines are there.
Okay.
So these lines represents the struggle in your life.
Okay.
If your palm will be like clean, only the basic lines that represent the life should be there, it will be more beneficial for you. But now there are lines which are quite visible with the naked eyes. You don't have to like take a magnifying glass to see them.
Okay.
So-
So I do not have luck in my life. This is what you are summarizing. Okay, bro. So how do you summarize my life and then health and everything?
Okay, let's first discuss your lifeline.
Okay.
Your life was maybe tragic or you face some serious problem, but in future it is all clean. And you also have a sport line.
Okay. So
You
I
have
do
a
have
really-
support.
yeah,
Okay.
you
My
sport-
parents and my wife, of course.
Yes.
My sister as well.
That could be anyone, but
Okay.
you have.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe your friend too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. If I talk about money.
Thanks to the Almighty for the support.
Oh,
At least I have some.
okay. Let's talk about the money because that's we all live for.
Yeah. That is
Okay.
very much important.
Very
Yeah.
much important. Yeah. Like you earn money, but you have to really manage your investment portfolio. Really. Okay. Focus should, and your focus should on like asset management.
Okay. Done.
Okay. If I talk about your marriage line, oh, you have a like really great marriage line.
Oh my God.
Life partner. I think if
Bro, I'm
God
already-
takes something from you and also give twice as much.
I'm already
that might-
blushing. I am already on cloud 9 that my wife would be pretty. You told me.
And that would be really sportive.
Yeah, and she would be really supportive. But then you also told that I might be having 2 wives. I might be
You
practicing
wife.
polygamy.
Just
That is
kidding,
also
you
a benefit. Yeah, you have to share yourself between 2 persons. Yeah. Okay, I'll manage anyways. Okay.
You have to manage.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much, bro, for
Okay, bro.
this insights. Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
Okay, so my palmistry is done. My friend has tried his best and has given nice insights.